the simplest, fastest and most modern way to build biogas digesters and plants. LIP with the double fold system. In all sizes, infinitely variable from 3 to over 40 meters in diameter. LIP biogas plants were developed as modular systems and are built mainly of stainless steel. The heart of the plant is the ComBio digester, which is flexibly adapted to the customer's requirements as regards size and substrate. Our LIP double fold system is an international success. Compared to conventional construction methods, automated tank production on site shortens the erection time considerably. And the advantages of the LIP double fold system make their full impact. The use of stainless steel in particular for construction of the digesters ensures a long plant service life. The special energy-efficient wall heating system assures optimal uniform temperature distribution. Our farm is a family-run business where the younger generation is just taking over. Besides food production, we also breed cattle and pigs. So we decided to build the biogas plant. We opted for a LIP plant because of the quality and because they retain their value. Because the digesters are made of stainless steel. The major advantage of the LIP plant was hydrolysis. One big advantage of hydrolysis is that in contrast to an ordinary two-stage process, you can significantly shorten the dwell times. Plus, you have a big choice as regards the substrates. The other major advantage is in the digesters themselves. Because the inside surfaces of the walls are smooth, made of stainless steel, agitation is easier than with a concrete digester, for example. And with the LIP system, we also have the advantage that we can stir with the pump and stir large quantities with an external agitator, which is not in the medium, with relatively low energy consumption. It's a well thought out design, and for that reason, we would choose a LIP plant again. I was impressed by these solutions. I find them reliable, in particular as regards their performance and the biology of the fermentation process. The plant has been in operation for about 3 months now. The commissioning was done well, quickly and efficiently. And I'm very satisfied with the results we have achieved. We're already planning to enlarge this plant and to install a new one, and the order for it will go to LIP again. The LIP plant that we purchased delivers good results with the biogas produced by fermentation of poultry manure from our farm. It was a good and successful investment for me. Every one of these plants makes a sustainable contribution to protecting the environment, with increasing profitability, an investment for the future. LIP with the double fold system, the simplest, fastest and most modern way to build biogas digesters and plants.